Well, if you're out there today, clouds and some rain around, keeping temperatures kind of stuck where they are. It's not going to dry out today. The drizzle and some very light rain will be around pretty much today and this evening, but it will be moving out tomorrow. There might be a little bit of rain out there early tomorrow morning, but pretty much a drier day tomorrow and a little bit warmer too. The next cold front's due in here probably about midday Saturday, maybe late morning, but Saturday afternoon temperatures will start to cool off. So if you have plans for the weekend, it's not going to be so warm. I mean, if you're up first half of Saturday, it won't be too bad, but it will be getting progressively colder Saturday night. And Sunday looks pretty chilly, and we may even be getting close to that freezing mark on Sunday night if skies stay clear enough, which it looks like they will. Temperatures right now stuck right around the 50-degree mark in Weslaco, 53 in Harlingen, 48 though in Rio Grande City, and 60 in Brownsville. And there's a little bit of a north wind, not strong, but enough to bring in some cool air, so these temperatures won't be able to change very much today. Compare the current numbers to the highs today, and they're expected to maybe only climb a couple degrees or so. In fact, some of these numbers may have already been hit and dropping back down, like in Weslaco. 56, I was going to get quite that warm, maybe up to 53 or so, but temperatures a couple degrees warmer than they are now at best. But rain chance during the day, at least 70%, but you tack on more rain chances this evening, it pretty much pushes it to close to 100% chance that you'll see at least a little drizzle today and tonight. Current winds very light from the north, about 10 miles per hour or so, but that's keeping temperatures chilly. You can see all the clouds spreading in on the satellite radar, and then the drizzle coming back. And it's in most areas of the valley right now, but none of it that heavy. Drizzle and some very, very light rain at times possible as we go through the rest of today and tonight. We expand this out a little bit. Again, you see plenty of clouds coming in. Clouds will be with us all day long, and some of that light rain and drizzle goes up farther to the north as well. Future track shows this trend: cool, cloudy, drizzly, some light rain this afternoon and into early this evening, and then it kind of fades away gradually overnight. By say 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, a lot of places start to dry out, and tomorrow morning you may wake up to a little bit of spotty drizzle or a very, very light sprinkle or rain shower in a few spots. But I think tomorrow overall is a dry day. Starts off cloudy. There may be some holes in the clouds at times in the afternoon, but still enough clouds to keep temperatures from going too crazy with the warm up tomorrow. It'll probably be in the 60s to near 70 degrees. And then on Thursday, some of the models do hint at maybe enough moisture for a sprinkle or a shower in spots during the midday and afternoon hours, but most of Thursday looks dry and a little bit warmer too. If the clouds can break up, Thursday could hit 80 degrees in some areas, but if it stays kind of cloudy like it shows here, we're probably looking at 70s or so for highs, but warmer than today for sure. Here we go with future track rainfall amounts the rest of today and tonight, and you see it's not adding on much, maybe a few hundredths of an inch or a tenth of an inch or so through this evening and tomorrow morning, but we're not talking about any big rain totals out there. All this little light rain and drizzle just gradually adds up into small amounts of rain. As far as temperatures go, again, here are our 3 p.m. temperatures on future track. Keeps us mainly in the 50s. You notice how temperatures don't really go too far from that. The rest of this evening, tonight, and tomorrow morning kind of hangs mostly in the low 50s overnight. And then tomorrow, with the drier weather, we start to warm back into the 60s. Maybe some spots reaching 70 for a little while in the afternoon, but in general, kind of a overcast day. So today, highs on average near 59, but that's quite a spread. Low 60s or so closer to the coast, low 50s in Starr County, and everywhere else somewhere in between. But most of the day spent probably closer to about 53 or 55. Tonight, temperatures don't change much. Some light rain and drizzle around, especially through the evening hours. And then the first 157-day forecast, it warms up a bit more tomorrow, close to 70 degrees, with mainly dry weather after maybe a sprinkle or shower, very light shower in spots in the morning. Thursday, dry most of the day, but some of the models again hint at maybe a spotty shower or two as the warm air starts to come back. Then temperatures, if they don't hit 80 on Thursday, much better chance on Friday, a breezy and warmer day and near 82. But then a cold front blows through Saturday. I think Saturday could actually be in the 70s, maybe even lower 80s in the morning in spots, but probably by noon or so that front will be coming through, and then it gets cooler and breezier. And then Sunday looks like a breezy, cool day. Only 55 for a high on Sunday. Lows maybe close to 40 or so Sunday morning. And then Monday morning, with clear skies, light winds, it may be close to freezing, so we'll want to watch that for early next week. Again, that's Monday morning, and even Sunday morning was kind of chilly as well. But we'll keep tracking your first 1-5 forecast on Channel 5 News at noon.